Here I will show you how to make audio sound muffle in Premiere Pro. Let's play my current music. So this is my current music looks like. Now let's go to effects and in search effect type here equalizer and add this parametric equalizer effect to your music. Then select your music clip and go to effect controls and under parametric equalizer just click on edit next to custom setup, and here click on this preset drop down and here select generic low pass, and then by clicking on this H dot you have to adjust your sound just like this. Just press enter key on your keyboard to play the music, and now you can hear the music and adjust this preset level to adjust your audio muffle sound. Once you're happy, just close these, and that's it.